Let me use this opportunity to urge the youths and women across the country that we must not listen to those that are beating drums or blowing whistle for war, or blowing whistle for crisis and crimes and criminalities. They may have their children and loved ones abroad, or they have enough to take care of them, but we don't have enough to take care of ourselves. We must say no to those our warlords that are beating drums for war. I want to use this opportunity to call on our political leaders as well, that are dividing us, that are speaking with discordant tone, that will speak and try to divide Nigeria, but they return back to their round table and share tea and banters. Please, I want to urge you to please remember that Nigeria has benefited you. And I urge each and every Muslims and Christians in this country to preach peace, not war.